Hi, I'm a chemistry professor with a university in Western Pennsylvania, USA, and I'm located in Bradford, Pennsylvania. And this is a continuing study, underwater video capture, using a Spycam unit. And this video will focus on the use of mini flashlight, LED flashlights attached to the underwater unit in order to enhance video capture. So let me go to full screen here. And we're doing one take on this. I have other videos as I've mentioned located at YouTube. Well, anyway, in previous videos, I've outlined that for $25, you will be able to come up with a functioning underwater video unit. The components involve the Spycam, which is approximately $9.95 postpaid to the U.S., waterproof casing, which is about $12 and change, once again postpaid to the U.S., and the micro memory card, which can be accommodated 2 to 16 gigs. And in previous videos I've tested the system out and provided information on the eBay sellers, the recommended sellers for the different components. In this video I'm attaching mini LED flashlights to provide adequate lighting for underwater capture. And these flashlights, you can get 12. They're pretty good. They have coin batteries in them, 3 of the mini coin batteries. They come with the batteries, and you twist it a little bit, and you get pretty decent lighting. The seller is Yallstock on eBay, YALLSTOCK, and I was able to get 12 of these for a total of $9.98 postpaid. So we're looking at under $1 a piece. And I'm hoping that by placing these in baggies, watertight baggies, and attaching them to the unit, that I can provide inexpensive lighting for video capture, particularly in murky waters. Here we'll see video part 1. In back of our campus is the so-called Tuna Creek, which will flow eventually into the Allegheny River, head into New York State, and near Olean, New York, wrap around and come back into Pennsylvania and make its way down to Pittsburgh, where it will join with the Monongahela and Ohio to form, of course, the 3 rivers. So let's take a look at this first video, and you can see the unit activated. And we'll now place it in the case. It's very, very lightly raining, and we should have it in here in a second, if all goes well. We'll see how lighting does. Once it's in the casing, very difficult to pick up sound. You'd have to really yell loudly in order to capture any audio. So I'm making my way now down to the creek. This is the Tuna Creek, trout stock waters. It's been raining the last few days. The water's very cloudy. Underwater we go. Not a drop of water gets in the unit. Very murky. Without lighting, this is basically what you would get under these field conditions. Now I have 2 lights attached. And then you can start to see the bottom. Down about 2 feet, 2.5 feet. Very, very murky waters. I will probably affix another 2 or 3 of the lights. I'll be working probably anywhere from 5 to 25 feet down. but the lighting does help. And of course the orientation of the lights as well. I have to experiment with that. I've done field tests in our campus pool, and of course I can see the length of the pool, no difficulty without lighting. But these are actually the type of conditions that you would be encountering. But the lighting does help, particularly when you're down at the bottom of the water. We'll go to the next video. This is where I'm putting the unit together. Field test number 3. I'm in the back of the campus near the Tuna Creek here in Bradford, Pennsylvania, Western PA. And you can see the dipping device that I use. I can go to 25 feet with extensions. These are commonly used in environmental work for water sampling. And I have attached to it the waterproof casing and 2 mini flashlights, LED flashlights. Those are in baggies. And I'm about to activate the camcorder and place it in the device. Okay, and just to show you what the unit looks like, here's part 3. Resurfacing. With a little bit of experimentation with lighting, for approximately $25, it might be very good for college, university student use in introductory courses in ecology, hydrology, etc., environmental science. I teach a course, Chem of the Environment, which is a required course in our environmental studies program. I'll be mapping out local reservoir bottoms. First time you pop the camera, the casing open, be careful. You could break it very easily. Okay, so we'll see how that comes out. So there you have it. My own personal goals here. I'll add an additional 2 or 3 of the flashlights to the unit, try to place them more strategically around the cam, and I'll be mapping out floor bottoms, local reservoirs. We have 4, maybe 5 local reservoirs that serve as the source of drinking water for the Bradford, Pennsylvania community. If you need to get a hold of me, you can contact me at Soriano, SORIANO, at pitt.edu. Bye for now.